Hong Kong, one of the busiest cities in the world. Thanks to top-notch infrastructures and transport network, traveling in the city is a stress-free experience. In support of future development, the Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok link is constructed to connect Northwest New Territories with the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge Hong Kong Port, as well as the Hong Kong International Airport and North Lantau. It reduces the travel distance between Tuen Mun South and the airport by around 22 kilometers. The journey is reduced by around 20 minutes.
屯門至赤鱲角連接路工程包括建造一條全港最長同埋最深嘅海底行車隧道，工程龐大而複雜，過程中面對唔少困難同埋挑戰。我哋嘅工程團隊一直迎難而上，以創新同埋可持續發展嘅精神，將問題一一克服，順利完成呢個艱巨嘅工程任務。
The Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok link is a dual two-lane carriageway of about 9 kilometers long, divided into the southern connection and northern connection. The southern connection was commissioned in 2018. It comprises a land viaduct of about 1.9 kilometers long and a sea viaduct of about 1.6 kilometers long, linking the North Lantau Highway with the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge Hong Kong Port. The northern connection features a sub-sea tunnel of about 5 kilometers long that connects Tuen Mun South with the Hong Kong port. It is the longest and deepest sub-sea road tunnel in Hong Kong, which is about 60 meters below sea level. Excavating a tunnel with a diameter of a 6-story building was the biggest challenge of this project. We need to take into account a number of external factors for a project of such scale.
工程咧係要克服好多困難嘅，包括跨越重要嘅航道啦。建造期間要減低對繁忙嘅海上交通同埋對中華白海豚棲息地嘅影響。
To avoid disruption to water flora and fauna and marine traffic, the team adopted the subsea tunnel boring construction method in preference to the traditional immersed tube scheme. The team deployed the world's largest tunnel boring machine, 17.6 meters in diameter, plus 2 mixed shield boring machines, 14 meters in diameter. The 17.6-meter machine is as tall as a 6-story building.
同傳統嘅沉管方法比較，用隧道鑽挖機建造海底隧道，可以減少挖掘同埋棄置大約1100萬立方米嘅淤泥，大大減低工程對環境嘅影響。
Excavating the tunnel underneath the seabed leaves no room for mistakes. The tunnel boring machines are under high pressure, where the atmospheric pressure is up to 6 times higher than that at the surface. Maintenance of the TBM was subject to the same extreme environment.
呢項工程為香港首次引進咗飽和高壓技術，我哋提供咗專用嘅高壓生活艙，令到相關嘅人員喺28日內安全咁喺高壓環境下如常生活。期間只需要進行一次嘅減壓程序，咁樣可以大幅減低工人患上減壓病嘅風險。
A team of 4 saturation workers resided in the pressurized living chambers filled with a compressed mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, and helium, namely trimix gas, on the ground surface. They were transferred by pressurized shuttles to the excavation chamber of the TBM to carry out daily maintenance works.
In addition, the team also employed various innovations to reduce manual labor under hyperbaric conditions, including state-of-the-art technologies such as the Moby Dick system, which provided real-time surveillance of boring machines for ease of repairing damaged components when necessary. The team even replaced certain procedures with a remote-controlled robotic arm. The inventions had won several construction awards.
We are now standing on the deepest section of the Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok tunnel, about 60 meters below sea level, where our specialist hyperbaric workers have overcome the atmospheric pressure nearly 6 times greater than at the surface. During the whole tunnel excavation process, we performed over 300 saturation dives, more than 1,400 cutting tools replacement with no decompression illness and no health issue among divers. All of this were accomplished by the professionals who worked hard for the project.
The project has defined new frontiers in Hong Kong transportation. Faced with countless challenges and striving for efficiency, the construction team employed state-of-the-art technology to forge an extensive subsea tunnel. The Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok Tunnel has the highest number of cross passages among the subsea road tunnels, boasting a total of 57 passages, 46 of which were constructed by pipe jacking tunnel boring machines first deployed in Hong Kong.
呢項係一個非常艱巨嘅任務，因為我哋需要喺接近6倍大氣壓力下嘅海底，橫向貫穿2條已經建成嘅隧道管道，同時要防止海水湧入。為咗應付呢啲難題，我哋工程團隊研發咗2部直徑3.6米嘅小型隧道鑽挖機，採用特殊頂管技術進行鑽挖，係世界首個採用呢種創新施工技術嘅同類型工程。
We used a temporary steel bell during excavation to ensure waterproofing and pressure stabilizing, until the machine bored through the cross passages and restored pressure balance on both sides. The technique was awarded Contractor Innovation of the Year by New Civil Engineer, a journal of the Institute of Civil Engineers from the UK in 2018. To increase efficiency, the Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok link used a great amount of prefabricated units, including tunnel lining segments, overhead ventilation duct slabs, parapets, and service gallery modules. The tunnel lining alone comprises 42,756 precast segments. As the boring machines proceeded with excavation, the segments were simultaneously installed by workers. The service gallery consists of modules that amount to 7.3 kilometers in length. There are a total of 6,387 modules, with the longest measuring 6 meters and the heaviest weighing up to 1 ton. The parapets and overhead ventilation ducts utilized 9,357 units and 5,115 units respectively. It only took 30 minutes to install 4 units in the overhead ventilation ducts. The cross passages themselves were also built by modular construction.
成個安裝過程係非常之省時方便。隧道鑽挖機先鑽挖隧道，然後安裝隧道壁，再安裝地下設施走廊，然後鑽挖同埋安裝連接管道，再鋪設通風管道，最後安裝行車護欄就完成啦。
The modular construction approach allowed multiple concurrent tasks in the tunneling works and less on-site workers. It also improved the working environment, such as reducing noise and maintaining better air quality. The ventilation buildings also adopted modular construction. Many of its columns and beams were prefabricated. This reduced the use of formworks and falseworks and minimized the impact of inclement weather.
連接路南面出入口嘅明或回田隧道係香港最大嘅環形垂直連續牆結構隧道，運用環形垂直連續牆作為臨時護土設施，大量咁減少咗橫向支撐數量，擴大咗施工環境，因而大大咁提高咗施工嘅效率同減低施工嘅風險。施工完畢之後，隧道表面就可以填補返泥土啦。
For the daily operation of a 5-kilometer subsea tunnel, safety is the top priority. Thanks to state-of-the-art design and technology, you can travel through the Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok Tunnel worry-free. The northbound and southbound tunnels are joined by 57 cross passages. In case of emergency, people can evacuate to the adjacent tube through cross passages for safety. Moreover, access hatches are built every 200 meters in the tunnel. Firefighters can access the service gallery in time for rescue.
日常維護對於隧道嘅保養同安全相當重要，但係進行維護期間以封閉行車路段就會造成不便。屯門赤鱲角隧道係香港首條隧道，行車道下邊設有設施走廊，全長約9公里，空間非常之大。日後進行維護可以減少隧道封閉嘅時間，而設施走廊亦設有電動運輸車作為運輸之用。
In support of the government's innovation and technology policy, the Tuen Mun Chek Lap Kok Tunnel becomes the first tunnel to use cloud technology to monitor fire alarm systems for tunnel tubes and service gallery. A simple mobile app offers the staff real-time automatic surveillance of all systems in the tunnel.
當有異常情況發生，警報系統就會即時透過手機應用程式向隧道管理人員報告，仲會顯示出發生火災嘅位置。等工作人員可以迅速咁樣作出適當嘅應變，而收集得嚟嘅預報警報數據，亦可以改良維修計劃同埋優先次序，
提高設備維護嘅效率，大大減低警報系統誤鳴嘅機會。
The commissioning of the Tuen Mun Cheklapkok Link Northern Connection marks a new era for Hong Kong infrastructure, being the epitome of innovation and efficiency. What benefits will it bring?
大嶼山作為香港通往國際同大灣區嘅雙門戶，新道路拉近咗新界西北同大嶼山嘅距離，對促進相關地區之間嘅人流物流幫助極大，同時亦加快同大灣區嘅經濟協作。
屯門至赤鱲角連接路係一項策略性嘅交通基建，令往返屯門同北大嶼山嘅路程可以大大縮短，亦都增加連接香港國際機場同港珠澳大橋呢啲區域交通樞紐嘅道路，佢哋嘅通達性同埋可靠性，為市民出行帶嚟更大嘅便利。路政署會繼續致力拓展我哋嘅道路網絡，為香港未來嘅發展提供高質同便捷嘅交通基建。